how to change the color of elements in Canva. To show you this, I'm gonna go to the left hand side to where it says elements, and I'm gonna type in something like house. I'll go to graphics, and now I can pick an element. Some elements, like this one for example, will let you change the individual colors right away. For example, I want to change this color to a brighter one. There you go. But some elements don't have this right away. You have to go into the settings a little bit, and I will show you this. For this, I have prepared this house right here. As you can see, I can't see the color options here on the top left corner. So I'm gonna go to Edit Photo. I'm gonna go to the Adjust tab. I'm gonna scroll down, and there are your color edits. You can just pick the particular colors, and you can change the hue of that particular color. Maybe I want these windows to be more brown. I just do that. And if I want the beige of the house to be a different color, just pick the beige, and I change its values like that. And that's how you change the color of an element in Canva. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.